Hello, I'm Craig with Unified Communications, and today we're going to be unboxing the new Jabra Engage 75. As you can see, it comes with a charging base that has a very small desktop footprint. This is the stereo version. It's also available in a mono or one-ear version. It has a 13-hour talk time, of course depending on usage. Allows you the ability to roam around the office up to 490 feet, according to tech specs, with DEX security. As you can see, there is a busy light at the tip of the boom mic. So this will indicate to people walking up to your desk that you're busy or on a call. Now, of course, there's other things here, like your handy dandy notebook. You also have your AC adapter, your telephone interface cable, as well as your PC connection with a mini USB to USB-A connection cable. So if you have any other questions, or if you'd like to go ahead and get one of these great headsets for you or your office, then please reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you, because we are the headset experts at unifiedcommunications.com.